Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here I'm just going to be telling you guys all about my 2020 luxury wish list. Okay, I will not be buying any more bags this year because I just bought 2 bags at a time and I cannot buy any more bags right now. Okay, so yeah, this will definitely be my list for next year. Now if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these bags, the links to these bags will be in the description bar for you. And before I go ahead and get into the list, if you guys like luxury bags as much as I do, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get straight into the list, okay? First on my list, I have a Louis Vuitton bag, and it's going to be a tote bag. I really have been looking for a tote bag for travel, and the bag that's on this list is the Louis Vuitton On The Go, okay? So if you guys are familiar with the On The Go, there are several different versions of the On The Go bag, several different colors, you know, and then they have the Jungle Collection, which is sold out, and most of the On The Go bags are sold out on LouisVuitton.com, but you can get them in the PreLoved market, but the prices are marked up super high. Yeah, I definitely would like to get the On The Go, and I prefer to get it in the khaki and the beige color. That is the color that I really want to get maybe for the spring. I really like the Jungle Collection in the color Noir, and also the Jungle Collection in the color Ivory, which is pretty much white. Okay, so I really like both of those, but I really do want it in the khaki and the beige color. This bag retails for $2,440. That's definitely a pretty penny to pay for a tote bag. You definitely can use that bag and throw your stuff in and use it for traveling and all that good stuff. So I'm not sure which color I'm going to end up getting, but this bag is definitely on my list for next year. Now, next up on my list, I have the Balenciaga Ville bag. And I know a lot of people do not like this bag because it has the big Balenciaga across the front of it, but I actually like the bag a lot. I saw Shay Whitney here on YouTube with the bag, and ever since then I really like the bag. I think that it's gorgeous, and of course it looks like the Elma in terms of the shape and size and everything, and I do believe that they have different sizes in this bag, but I do want the smaller size, and I definitely think that it's a gorgeous bag. It definitely can be used for every day. It can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. I only have one black bag, so I'm definitely looking to add another black bag in my collection at some point. Now this bag can range from $1,790 to $2,100 depending on which size you get. So yeah, this bag is definitely on my list, and a lot of times it stays sold out on different sites, but I think it's still available on Balenciaga.com right now. Okay, so next up we have a bag that I actually tried on at a Louis Vuitton store, and it is the Locky BB. I really think that this is a gorgeous bag, and when I tried it on, I absolutely loved it. I would say that this can be used for an everyday bag. It's definitely very small, so it can be used for an everyday bag, but you're really not going to be able to get too much in it. I would say that this would be a bag that you would wear, you know, if you were to go out, you know, date night or something like that. I definitely think that it's gorgeous, and I do not see a lot of people with the Locky BB. I think I've seen one person with the Locky BB one time, but I don't see this bag often, so I definitely like to get bags that everyone may not necessarily have, but I definitely think the Locky BB is gorgeous. I just feel like for $1,700 you can get a lot more bag elsewhere, so you know, I would love for this to be a gift or something like that. But yeah, it's definitely still on my wish list. Next up we have another tote bag, and it's going to be the YSL tote bag. And this tote bag right here is gorgeous, and this tote bag is only like $1,050. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, I feel like it's a better deal than the Louis Vuitton On The Go bag, you know what I mean? But this bag comes in 2 different colors, and I actually like both of the colors. At one point I considered getting both of them, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna wait because I'm not doing any traveling right now. I won't really be doing any more traveling until maybe next year, so you know, I'm just gonna wait. But I definitely like it in the black, and I definitely like it in the beige color also. I actually like it in the beige color better, and there are a few reviews here on YouTube of people that have it in that beige color and they love it, and all of the reviews were good reviews. You know, one lady that reviewed it said she uses it for travel and she uses it for work, so it's definitely very versatile. And again, I don't know which one I'm gonna get, but I'm really leaning towards that beige, but I'm not quite sure. But I definitely like the black, and I definitely like the beige, and every single time I check, both bags are always in stock. So yeah, this YSL tote is probably most likely going going to be the bag that I end up getting as far as a tote bag next year. Okay guys, so last but not least on my luxury wish list for 2020, we have a classic, and it's going to be the Speedy 25, but I want to get it in the Damier Azur print. Okay, I don't have any Damier Azur print in my collection at all, and I definitely want to add that print to my collection next year, preferably in the spring. So I definitely am considering the Speedy 25. It's gorgeous, you guys already know that. The Speedy 25 size is perfect for every day, just to throw things in, run errands and things like that. So I'll definitely probably be purchasing the Speedy 25 in probably March or April of next year, and that's probably going to be the first bag that I purchase next year, because it's something that I've been wanting for a while, and I just wanted to wait until it warms up again for me to go ahead and purchase it and just go ahead and rock the Speedy next spring and summer. Okay, so yeah, right now that is my 2020 luxury wish list. As I said before, there will be links to the bags in the description bar, whether it's going to be on PreLoved sites or on, you know, the original sites. You can definitely go ahead and check out those links, and also let me know a few of your luxury wish list items that you have for this year or next year, for Christmas or whatever. Go ahead and comment that down below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.